Hi, and welcome to the Quality Corner. I'm Mark Kearney, the Senior Director of Quality and Regulatory Affairs with Xometry. In today's edition, we will be covering a key section of our Workmanship Standards, more specifically, FOD, or Foreign Object Debris, under our Product Cleanliness section. FOD is debris foreign to a product, assembly, or system that potentially would cause part damage, failure, and/or safety risks. For example, foreign debris may consist of oils, lubricants, metal shavings, chips, dirt, lint, food, or even tooling, etc. Ultimately, material that is not part of the product itself is considered contaminated with FOD. I'll illustrate an unacceptable and acceptable FOD example. I will review the what, the why, and the how in order to avoid unacceptable products by providing a wide variety of examples across a range of products. In image 1, there is a metal chip, cutting fluids, and additional debris that cause the part to not meet our standards due to FOD. Metal chips and cutting fluids are part of a normal manufacturing process and cannot be avoided. To minimize the possibility of metal chips being present in a part is to increase the cutting fluid and ensure to use compressed air to remove the metal chips and cutting fluid. Once the part is through the machining and deburr processes, it is recommended that the part be thoroughly cleaned in an agitated bath or ultrasonic cleaner and dried accordingly. Now let's cover an example of an acceptable workmanship standard. In this image, the hole is free of metal chips, cutting fluids, and any debris of sort. To ensure the parts are adequately clean, you may want to use a lint-free cloth to wipe the part. This would identify if all the fluids have been thoroughly dried or removed from the ultrasonic cleaner. Thank you for joining us in today's edition of the Quality Corner.